In the world of entrepreneurship, failure is often seen as a setback. But what if we told you it could be your greatest teacher? Pivoting is a crucial skill for any entrepreneur, allowing you to adapt and evolve in response to challenges. It's not just about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward with newfound insights and strategies. In this video, we'll explore how embracing failure can lead to innovative solutions and ultimately, success. We'll share inspiring stories of entrepreneurs who faced significant obstacles but turned those experiences into valuable lessons. By the end, you'll understand that every misstep is an opportunity for growth. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to revitalize your existing venture, this video is designed to motivate you while providing practical tips on how to learn from your failures. Let's dive in and discover how to transform setbacks into stepping stones on your entrepreneurial journey. Understanding failure. In the startup world, failure is not just common, it's almost a rite of passage. Statistics show that around 90% of startups fail, often due to factors like market fit, funding issues, or competition. This might sound discouraging, but it's essential to recognize that every entrepreneur faces challenges along the way. Even the most successful companies, like Airbnb and Uber, encountered significant hurdles before finding their footing. These stories remind us that failure is part of the journey, not the end of it. Instead of viewing failure as a dead end, we should see it as a valuable learning opportunity. Each setback provides insights that can inform future decisions and strategies. By reframing our perspective on failure, we can cultivate resilience and adaptability, two key traits for any entrepreneur. Remember, every misstep is a chance to grow and improve. So, let's embrace failure as a stepping stone toward success and learn how to leverage those experiences to build a stronger, more innovative startup. The pivot. What it means. In the business world, a pivot refers to a fundamental shift in strategy aimed at improving a startup's chances of success. This could involve changing the product, target market, or even the business model itself. For startups, the ability to pivot is crucial, as it allows them to respond to feedback, market demands, and unforeseen challenges. Take Instagram, for example. Originally launched as a location-based check-in app called Bourbon, the founders quickly realized that users were more interested in photo sharing. They pivoted to focus solely on that feature, leading to the creation of one of the most popular social media platforms today. Another notable example is Slack, which began as a gaming company but transformed into a communication tool after recognizing the potential of its internal messaging system. Being adaptable in business is not just a nice-to-have, it's a strategic necessity. Startups that embrace the pivot are better equipped to navigate uncertainty and seize new opportunities, ultimately increasing their chances of long-term success. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel, like I am doing right now. In addition, there is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue. Real-world examples. Let's dive into some inspiring stories of startups that successfully pivoted after facing failure. One of the most notable examples is Instagram. Initially launched as Bourbon, a location-based app, it struggled to gain traction. The founders realized that users were primarily interested in sharing photos. By pivoting to focus solely on photo sharing, they transformed into Instagram, which quickly became a global sensation. The challenge was recognizing the need for change and acting on it swiftly, a lesson in agility that every entrepreneur should embrace. Another compelling case is Slack. Originally, the company was developing a gaming platform called Glitch, but it failed to capture the market's interest. Instead of giving up, the team pivoted to focus on their internal communication tool, which eventually became Slack. The challenge here was shifting the team's mindset from gaming to communication. But this pivot led to one of the most widely used collaboration tools today. These examples teach us that failure is not the end. It's often a stepping stone to greater success. Embracing change and being willing to adapt can lead to remarkable outcomes. Practical advice for entrepreneurs. When it comes to pivoting effectively, there are several actionable tips that can guide you through the process. First, regularly assess your business metrics and customer feedback. If you notice declining engagement or unmet needs, it may be time to consider a pivot. Establishing key performance indicators can help you identify when a change is necessary. Next, embrace experimentation. Testing new ideas on a small scale allows you to gather valuable insights without committing extensive resources. Use A/B testing or pilot programs to evaluate different approaches and see what resonates with your audience. This iterative process can lead to innovative solutions that align better with market demands. Lastly, maintaining a positive mindset during challenging times is crucial. Remember that setbacks are part of the entrepreneurial journey. Surround yourself with a supportive network, practice self-care, and focus on the lessons learned from each experience. By fostering resilience and adaptability, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship and successfully pivot when needed. Building resilience. Resilience is a vital trait for entrepreneurs, especially when navigating the inevitable setbacks that come with starting and running a business. It allows you to bounce back from failures, learn from mistakes, and maintain your focus on long-term goals. When challenges arise, a resilient mindset helps you view obstacles as opportunities for growth, rather than insurmountable barriers. To develop resilience, consider techniques such as practicing mindfulness and setting realistic goals. Mindfulness can help you stay grounded during stressful times, while breaking larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks can make challenges feel less overwhelming. Additionally, cultivating a growth mindset, believing that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work, can significantly enhance your resilience. Support networks also play a crucial role in fostering resilience. Surrounding yourself with mentors, peers, and friends who understand the entrepreneurial journey can provide encouragement and valuable insights. Sharing experiences and challenges with others not only alleviates feelings of isolation, but also offers fresh perspectives that can help you navigate tough times more effectively. Embracing resilience will empower you to thrive in the face of adversity. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 130 to choose from.